Welcome to the latest video on MicroPython version 1.20. This version of MicroPython brings added support for the Raspberry Pi Pico W and a brand new package manager, MIP. This version of MicroPython enables the Raspberry Pi Pico W to take advantage of the board's wireless connectivity. Up until now, the official MicroPython release didn't have Bluetooth support, but thankfully it isn't too far away. Bluetooth support was recently added to the Raspberry Pi Pico SDK, so it won't be too much longer until you see Bluetooth connectivity with MicroPython. Now we want to tell you about the new package manager MIP. MIP is designed to boost performance for embedded systems and can be run directly on the device or via a command line tool using Promote. MicroPython was designed by programmer and theoretical physicist Damien George, and it is a port of Python 3 tailored for microcontrollers. It is compatible with a variety of boards like ESP32, ESP8266, W600, etc. and the Raspberry Pi Pico. We wanted to see if the official MicroPython firmware for the Raspberry Pi Pico W featured MIP, and it seems that it does. The latest firmware, RP2 Pico W20230427 Unstable v1.20.01G82A59A824.UF2, supports MIP, and we were able to successfully install a third-party MicroPython module and use it directly from the Python shell. In conclusion, version 1.20 of MicroPython is a great new release and allows you to use MIP to install packages and get the most out of your Raspberry Pi Pico W. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of MicroPython and how you can use it to make the most out of your boards.